The creation of the South Atlantic Whale Sanctuary is a proposal presented by Brazil, Argentina, Gabon, South Africa and Uruguay to the International Whaling Commission with the objective of guaranteeing the recovery of the whale populations in the South Atlantic. The sanctuary aims to maintain or increase the current stocks for the different whale species that inhabit the region, mitigating identified and potential threats. The proposed sanctuary can protect all whales that visit the Brazilian jurisdictional waters, as well as Argentina's and Uruguay's and all the southwest coast of the African continent. To avoid the extinction of whales, a moratorium was established in 1985 for commercial hunting. However, with the drastic reduction of whale populations, whales and other cetaceans become victims through other human activities such as bycatch, sound pollution, ship strikes, marine debris, entanglement and climate change. The South Atlantic Whale Sanctuary will promote the coordination of protected areas established at the national level or in the framework of other relevant international initiatives to advance protection of cetaceans. However, some countries led by Japan, Norway and Iceland are blocking the establishment of the South Atlantic Whale Sanctuary. Japan is one of a handful of countries, including Norway and Iceland, that continue to hunt whales by making use of a loophole in the moratorium allowing the practice of scientific whaling. According to the Ghana Wildlife Society, these countries are convincing stakeholder countries to reject the creation of the sanctuary ahead of the upcoming International Whaling Commission biennial meeting in September. Speaking at a press briefing in Accra, the Executive Director of the Ghana Wildlife Society, Eric Latte, noted that if government fails to support the establishment of the South Atlantic Whale Sanctuary and vote in favour of abolishing the 1982 whaling moratorium, it would have adverse effect on marine biodiversity.
If Ghana goes ahead to toe the lines of Japan, Norway, Iceland and their allies, we think that it contradicts or it violates the very laws that we have enacted in our country. Economically, we think that it will affect us if Ghana goes ahead to vote against conservation of whales at the meeting, because it may affect the livelihoods of our communities along the coast, the eastern coast and the western coast.
Meanwhile, the Ministry of Fisheries and Aquaculture said government was aware of the upcoming conference, but Ghana has not yet taken a stand on the issue.